Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Leo, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2023, second half ng October. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, so promote ko lang ang Leo bracelet. Ayan, so this is aligning ng Leo energies. Meron tong red jasper, carnelian at rose quartz. Available to sa aking shop. Link on the description. Okay, so let's see ano ang energies ninyo, Leo. Second half ng October for Leo. May confused. Hindi nyo alam kung alin ang pipiliin. Pwedeng maraming opportunities na nasa harapan nyo. Can be sa career. Can also be sa relationship. But you're confused. You're not sure which one. Ano yung makakabuti for you. Let us see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? Eight of Swords. There's a lot of limitations around you. Parang I'm sensing some sort of anxiety sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin moving forward. Oo. Lalo na kung meron kang kailangan pagdesisyonan, tapos hindi ka makapag-decide kasi iniisip mo kung tama ba yung magiging decision mo. Somehow natatakot magkamali. Oo. And pwedeng napapaligiran ka rin ng mga taong maraming opinion tungkol sa'yo or opinion sa gusto mong gawin. And dahil doon, parang ayaw mo na lang kumilos, ayaw mo na lang pumili, ayaw mo na lang mag-decide. Okay. Clarify natin yan later. Ano yung opportunities for you, Leo? Ano yung opportunities for Leo? Grabe, Leo, ano nangyayari sa inyo? Maraming gumugulo sa isip nyo. You have the opportunity to know, to finally know, or to finally realize kung ano yung decision na dapat mong gawin. Oo. Too much thinking to, hindi nakakatulog. Okay, clarify ulit natin yan. Mamaya, ano yung blessing ng mga Leo? What is the blessing? Page of Swords. The blessing here is knowing the truth. Maaring second half ng October, you will finally know the truth. Malalaman mo kung ano yung best for you. And sa pamamagitan ng pagre-research. Pag-aaral. Oo. I think, yung opportunity mo is also concentration. Meron kang opportunity na makapag-concentrate sa priorities mo. What is the Seven of Cups? Three of Cups. This can mean maraming nag-o-offer ng feelings towards you. This can be a friend or someone who is very close to you. But not everyone, no? Hindi lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo ay pwede mong pagkatiwalaan. Meron lang dyan na talagang solid. Solid na friend mo, solid na supporters mo. What is the Eight of Swords? The Seven of Wands. You have to protect yourself. So, yung iba sa inyo, ang challenge is nahihirapan kayong protectionan yung sarili nyo kasi hinahayaan nyo na maaring hinahayaan nyo na ibuli kayo ng iba or hinahayaan nyo na, you know, i-bash kayo ng ibang tao or may makialam sa buhay nyo. You really need to protect yourself, take care of yourself, and set boundaries. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo nahihirapan mag-set ng boundaries. Kaya, nagiging prone kayo dun sa mga tao na nagtitake advantage ng inyong kabutihan, ng inyong energy. What is the Nine of Swords? The Devil. Ooh. As an opportunity, I think you are finally letting go of or releasing something that is toxic sa paligid mo. This is also codependency. Pwede kasing hindi ka makapag-desisyon or hindi ka maka-move forward dahil may hinihintay ka na mag-guide sa'yo. May mga pagkakataon na parang wala ka masyadong tiwala sa sarili mong kakayanan. So, ito yung i-release mo, yung fears, yung takot mo na baka hindi mo kaya. Okay? That's your opportunity. What is the Page of Swords? The Four of Swords. This is as a blessing, no? I think you're going to lay low. Kumbaga, iiwas ka muna sa mga taong toxic sa buhay mo. Iiwas ka muna sa gulo. Iiwas ka muna sa anything that is stressful sa buhay mo. Oo. And dun ka magkakaroon ng peace of mind. The moment na ikaw mismo yung dumistansya dun sa mga tao na nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress. Or pwedeng sitwasyon na nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress. Okay. Let's see what else, Leo. Fourth house, home. This is your family. Ito rin yung iyong roots, no? Yung pinanggalingan mo. So, some of you, ang issue related sa family or home life, family life with your parents. First house is about yourself. This is also yung pananaw mo sa buhay. So, maaring merong binabago sa ngayon sa pananaw mo sa buhay, yung belief system mo. And also past. So, some of you are also going to deal with your past. I think ito na yung kailangan na ng closure. Or bibigyan nyo na ng closure second half ng October to finally move on and move forward. Okay? Let's see the money, career, finances. May pagka-unstable yung finances ng iba sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo may mga biglaang decision making when it comes to your career or your finances, your business. So, kailangan medyo hinay-hinay kayo. Oo. And you are also being called to tap into your intuition in making decisions. Kapag medyo magulo na, ang mahirap nang mag-decide, you tap into your instinct. Ano yung nararamdaman mong best for you na decision? Yun yung piliin mo. And yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring hingi kayo ng tulong sa mga tarot readers or other divination tools na magagamit ninyo for clarity. Sa relationship, maaring merong magbo-blossom na relationship connection. May nagsastart na makapag-develop ng feelings. And also freedom. So, I feel like if you are going to close a chapter in your life sa relationship, ito yung magbibigay ng daan para makilala mo ang person sa buhay mo. A new person in your life that might come in. Okay? come together, we need each other. Where have you been separating yourself or pushing against others and the world? Okay, so this is coming together with the people, yung mga tao na alam mong mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Kapag alam mo na willing naman silang tumulong sa'yo, let them, no? Kasi you'll never know kung ano yung pwede nilang maitulong sa'yo dun sa mga pinagdadaanan mo na yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.